Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something very special. I finally finished my horn rig. This has been a dream I've had for quite a while now. And up here I got my Newcast Nathan Airchime P2. I'll give you a brief overview of how this setup is assembled. Here I got my aluminum puck, the 1/2-inch threaded NPT on one end there, and then there's a hole and a rubber gasket on the top. I got bolted down with 4 bolts there. This stainless steel, it's a 1/4 inch thick 3/16 stainless steel. Had some holes drilled in it by a machinist. I have them mounted up here on my Yakima roof racks. You can see up there, I got the bolts coming in through the bottom to hold the horn on there. The air hose comes down the back. I just have it going through this rear hatch here. I got my 20-gallon air compressor, 1/2-inch air hose, 1/4 inch quick connect, 1/2 inch all the way through, going up towards the front. I got it coming through the middle row there. Then finally up to the cab, I got my manual valve with a ball valve there. This is just temporary. Eventually I'm going to have it set to be mounted upright. But yeah, I finally finished this project. It took me quite a while, about pretty much all year. It works pretty well. The horns are secure, and eventually I'd like to get a steel bell mounted on the trailer hitch, and eventually I want to get those fog lights flashing to make them look like ditch lights. Those are just some future plans, but for now, I'll give you a brief little run-by here with the P2 and more run-bys with my horns to come. Thanks for watching.
Bye.